Maybe we'll put something like this on it. That would be cool. Cheers, Mr. Jeep. There it is, the Jeep Overland build. Welcome back to Secondhand Overland. The not so minty Jeep Overland build. Winter's over. Everybody is healthy and safe. I'm building this Jeep to make some money in order to fund other projects on my channel. Today we're going to start pulling the engine out. As much as I'd like to keep this Jeep, I can't. I gotta get it fixed, done, and sold. And the best thing to do for us is to pull the engine out and fix everything and put it back together. So that's what we're going to do. Time to get busy. These hood props don't hold it up. Looks like this might be a little low too. We'll see. Had to rearrange some wiring here, so in order to reach the battery, but that's all going to get disconnected once we pull the engine out. We'll be very careful of this stuff. That's got to be moved out of the way. Oh, thankfully that's a flexible hose there, so you gotta be careful to drain the radiator. I don't want any animals to get into the antifreeze. Radiator system has to come out as it leaks. There's a bit of transmission fluid leaking as well, so possibly a transmission seal. Engine, have no idea if it leaks, but we know it knocks. First thing we gotta do is get the Jeep moved up. Yeah. Hook up the battery charger. Had this battery charger probably about 20 years now. That's goes to show. Been around a long time. I guess we should probably just hook it up because I gotta get it started anyway, so we'll just hook it up and get it started. Get it moved. Let it charge for a brief amount of time. Okay, looks like we're pulling a good 5.5 amps there, 6 amps, 2 amp auto. Yeah, battery's down. I should bump it up to 10. There we go. This is our work area. It's not the flattest, but it'll have to do. And we'll bring the Jeep up to about here, I think. Get the front end up, pull the engine out, tear the engine down, find out why it knocks, put in some new parts, and put it back together. Oh, magic. Meow. Oh, you got your string cat. Got to remove the breather box first, so we'll get started doing that. There's a 10mm bolt located on both sides of the breather. Forward. Disconnect the EGR breather vent. EGR breather vent disconnected. This is what the bottom side of the breather intake system looks like. Or airbox system, sorry. We can see that this has quite a bit of carbon buildup on the throttle intake there. Yeah. Oily, sooty. Oily soot. No doubt this engine has some blow by. Has a rod knock, so I expect it to have other issues. Because we're upgrading this air system, I'd like to put a snorkel on it and get rid of this box. Possibly free this box area up for some battery space, maybe, or electrical box, or various bunch of things. Air compressor. It's a good chunk of space. We send the breather vent out to fender. We'll send it up the roof or something. Maybe we'll put something like this on it. That would be cool. What do you think about that, eh? That would be something. Oh, that'd be good. That would take care of the air box. It looks like there is no bolts holding this down in here. What I can tell so far, unless there's one underneath here. In one of them awkward looking places. An awkward place to put a bolt. Universal flexi socket here. That sucks. Too bad. Oh well, I'm not reusing it, but it sucks. I can't use it in something else. Yeah, whatever. Look at that. Some sort of cheap joke bolt. I don't know, jokish cheap bolt, like a rubber grommet. Something is instant rust. Like it barely even came off. Come on, man. We gotta do away with that. That's alright. Figure it out. Let's look at the hole. So, that's not very cool. Knocked a nice ugly hole in there. It's where the rubber mounted block screw bolt, rubber mounted bolt clamp, whatever you want to call it, ripped out. Leftover plastic. Next step, I gotta remove the battery. Start disconnecting the stuff all around the top of the engine. Start unplugging things. Move the oil filler off the engine and move the air conditioning out of the way. Haven't decided if I'm going to remove the battery box yet or not, but we may remove the battery box. I think for the sake of safety, and I don't want the hood to be falling on the back of my head, I believe it probably best to remove the hood, given that the support struts don't hold it up anymore. Got the belt off of it. There's a whole bunch of disassembly that has to happen. The top end has to be taken apart. As I get more of it taken apart, I'll take video of it as it's coming apart, and I'll just cover what I can. been on there for a little while. A little bit of gentle persuading. That's not so bad. Just have to wobble it back and forth. Watch how you pinch your fingers. Okay, it's the other side's tight. That would be the alternator removal, long bolt, short bolt, upper bolt. Small water leak, possibly. Oh, there's some more sensors. Probably temperature sensor, that's the water jacket. This here, vacuum sensor, measures the vacuum. Alright, that's as far as I'm going to. 4.7 power liter.